So we are still in organic poultry farming. How to use white clover tea for organic poultry and livestock nutrition. Yet, many farmers don't know about this particular white clover and how it is used in poultry and livestock farming. Vets won't be happy to hear that you know this at all. White clover is called Trifolium repens. That's the botanical name. It is a common pasture plant and is often overlooked despite its powerful medicinal and nutritional properties. Still, many farmers are unaware of this particular plant and its usefulness in poultry and livestock farming. When prepared as a tea, it becomes potent natural remedy for poultry and livestock, supporting growth, disease resistance, and productivity, all while reducing its dependency on exclusive and very expensive medicinal synthetic medicines for poultry and other synthetic additives. This particular white clover does all this job. Instead of you using synthetic, you use white clover today. If you have it within your environment, within your farm, you are already in an advantage. Let me give you the nutritional value and medicinal value of this particular white clover. Its health benefit entirely to poultry and livestock animals. This topic interests you. Why not give it a thumb up? Support this topic by giving it a thumb up, and make sure at the end of this video, before you comment, watch the video till the end before you start asking me what is the dosage. Can turkey take this? I'm going to give you all you need to know about this particular plant and how you're going to make use of it. Watch the end before you drop your comment. Many of us in this particular channel don't watch the video. Maybe they see the topic, they will ask you, can my turkey take it? What's the dosage? I don't give you any natural plant without the dosage and how to prepare it. It is not in my habit at all. So don't ask me that question. What the dosage? Already, I'm going to give you the dosage here. I will give you the nutritional and health benefits of white clover tea in poultry and livestock, how to prepare it, and its dosage to every stage of poultry and livestock animals. Watch the end, give this video a thumb up, and make sure you share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Thank you. Become our channel member by subscribing to the channel membership. Join the channel membership today and get the best benefit from this particular channel. Let's go there. 20 nutritional and health benefits of white clover tea in poultry and livestock farming. One is natural antibiotics. You can't buy any synthetic again if you know this plant and how to make use of it. Make use of it according to my prescription in this particular video, because it combats bacterial without any side effect at all, unlike synthetic. It is powerful immune booster. It strengthens the natural immune system of your poultry and livestock animals and give them strong resistance to poultry and infectious diseases. It is very rich plant in protein. It supports muscle and tissue development. It is very high in calcium and magnesium. These are very important minerals that help supporting strong bones and eggshell formation in laying beds. Your broiler chickens will not crawl. They will always stand straight, no matter the weight they occupy within the period of their life. It has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces swelling and internal inflammations, supports respiratory health, clears blockage airways, and help them to breathe well naturally. It has natural dewormer, helps expel internal parasites. It detoxifies, it cleans liver and kidney of your poultry and livestock animals. It has antioxidant properties, very rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and support organ health. It aids digestion, which improves gut health and feed efficiency in poultry and livestock. It is a natural appetite enhancer, which stimulates feeding in sick or stressed birds. No matter how they are weighed down by the sickness or stress, they still eat if you give them this particular plant extract. It enhances fertility. It supports reproductive health in breeders. If you are into breeding layers or chicken formation, that is, you are into hatching of day-old chicks, you have breeder stock, you have parent stock that lays chicken eggs, that fertile eggs. It makes their egg fertile and you get almost 95% hatchability. It improves feather quality. The feather of your poultry birds will look smooth always. You will not have any plucking feather at all. They will look smooth as if they are rubbing cream on them, and they will look nice. You remember that if you have broilers that look very whitish in color and very neat smooth feathers, people always rush it because people start eating with their eyes first before they now start eating the meat. It improves and boosts growth rate. It helps reach market weight faster because the chicken will gain massive weight within a short period of time. It is very rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K, which support immunity and cellular health. They fight fungal infections, help treat crop infections and skin fungi. It strengthens heart function, improves circulation and blood circulation, and strengthens vitality of other minerals that are in the system. Because when the heart is functioning very well, it will be able to circulate blood within the system of your poultry and livestock animals, and they will look healthy. They will flush out toxins, everything that is not needed in their system. It's also improves egg size and egg production. You get jumbo egg, great egg for your layers birds. Reduces stress in birds. It acts as a calming agent that reduces stress and help them to eat during the period of stress. It lowers mortality rate. It prevents common poultry health breakdowns and at the same time help you to get maximum returns from your investment. What are the poultry diseases White Clover Tea can help treat or manage? Let me give you 7 of them. One is coccidiosis. You know the effect of coccidiosis in poultry and livestock that can wipe off all your flock in a short period of time. Another one is chronic respiratory diseases, CROD. That is the help is prevent their breathing system will change. They will hardly breathe, and most of them they will swell, their face and eye will swell up. And once this happens, they will hardly eat. And once they cannot eat, there's no way they can cover the feed, there's no way they can gain weight. They will start falling down one after the other. Newcastle disease, it acts as a supportive therapy to Newcastle disease infections. Most especially all the signs and symptoms of Newcastle, it helps to reduce it. And then the avian influenza, it serves as a symptomatic relief for them. Worm infestations, internal worms, it spares internal worms instantly. Fowl typhoid, fungal infections, candida and aspergillosis. The aspergillosis is the one that makes them to breathe up and down. It helps to clear it and at the same time treat it from them. How to prepare white clover tea for your poultry and livestock animals. Now let's get there. These are where most of you will come and ask me a question. I'm treating it here. Don't ask the question. You only ask question on areas that I did not treat. 1. Gather fresh or dried white clover leaf and flowers. Both the leaves and flowers are very important here. Wash them thoroughly with clean water. Then there's 2 options. You can add ginger or turmeric to enhance the effect, so to make it becomes stronger in compacting or performing its works. Then in preparation, collect 2 handfuls of fresh white clover, including its flower. Either you sun dry it or air dry it, anyone you want. If you air dry it, then you need to boil it in 2 liters of water for 15 to 20 minutes consistently. Allow it to cool, and after boiling, bring it down, allow it to cool, then strain out the water from the container and store it in a very cool container. If possible, you can refrigerate it if you have a refrigerator. When it gets cold, you refrigerate it so that you can preserve it for at least up to 3 to 4 days. Then, anytime you want to give it to them, for birds that are under 1 week, during the brooding stage, so the chicks, 5 ml per liter of water is good. That means if you're having 10 liters of water, it means you have to multiply by 5. That will give 50 ml. Then it's give to them 3 to 5 times in a week. Then grower chicks from day 1 to 4 weeks, 10 ml per liter of water, 3 to 4 times in a week. Broilers 5 to 8 weeks, 20 ml per liter of water, 4 to 5 times in a week. Adult broilers or breeders or layers that have grown very well, 30 ml per liter of water 5 times in a week is good. Goat, sheep, cattle, and other big animals. For cattle, is 250 to 300 ml orally through their drinking trough, 2 times in a week. Then goat and sheep, which are mild animals, the simple animals, 100 to 150 orally within 2 to 3 days in a week. All this, you can get the maximum result. How to administer? Through drinking water. Mix it in their feed also. It's very good. And if you're giving drinking water, let the water be very neat water, very clean water. Give through orally, that's direct oral to their mouth. Mix the tea into feed and give it to them also. These are different ways you can give it to them. You can still use syringe, draw it in the syringe and put it inside their mouth and administer it immediately. This is another good way also. This is a very wonderful plant. Many poultry farmers don't know, and many vets won't like you to know it, because if you know it, you will not be coming to them again. our Eco Bio Booster is still available. We still have them. See it here. See it, still available. All these plants I'm teaching you here are built into this. It is used to produce this particular Eco Bio Booster. You have money, buy it. It's 55,000 naira, pay 5 liters, and you can use it. It has a lifespan of more than 4 years. It has a natural enhancers, it has natural antibiotics, growth booster and growth promoter, egg drop, maximum egg drop, and jumbo eggs. It serves as food, just like tea, and also serve as medication and preventive measure for your poultry and livestock. They will not have sickness at all. Then you don't treat them, because once you're giving to them on a daily basis, they're always protected. 55,000 naira, pay 5 liters. If you need it, please send message on WhatsApp. Then I will tell you how to pay, and we'll send it to your location. We always will be through the transport companies that come to your state. The drivers will call you, come and pick it from the park. That's how they will be getting it. Subscribe to our channel, become a channel member, and at the same time be part of this channel to grow this community. Our channel community, we need to grow. We have many of them here. There are many. Next video I'll mention their names again, so as you know that they are still there, and most of them renew it on regular basis. They are always there to support this channel. Be a member of this channel. Support this channel. Not only calling me on phone how to help you to support your own business, but you won't like us to help to support the channel that help other farmers. This is the only way you can help this channel. You just little amount of money you pay through your bank card. That's all. Go and click join now and start the process. It's just a minor process. The platform is safe and secured. White Clover Tea is a hidden gem for organic poultry and livestock farming. Its natural vitamins, minerals, and healing compounds help you and your animal to be healthy. Animals become less stressed and less disease. It boosts their immunity and at the same time performance, and cut down production costs. Use it consistently but responsibly. Make sure you use it according to the dosage I've given you, and always introduce new herbs gradually. Stay natural, stay protected, stay profitable in your business. Thank you for watching the video till now. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers, and subscribe to our both channels, both Dr. Leo Charles and the Poultry Side TV. These channels here, we treat everything concerning poultry and livestock animals, most especially organic. And our Eco Bio Booster is always available for you anytime you need it. We also have our feed booster. In the next video, I'll introduce our feed booster. You see the new improved feed booster. It is high-tech feed booster. Thank you. Till the next video is uploaded. For now, I say bye. Happy New Week.